5 mistakes that stop you from ever growing. Have you ever felt like you're stuck, like you're moving, but not really progressing? You read books, watch motivational videos, even try building good habits, but something still feels missing. Here's the truth. Growth doesn't stop because of laziness. Most of the time, it stops because of mistakes you don't even notice. Today, we're going to look at 5 common mistakes that quietly block your personal growth. No nonsense, just facts backed by science and psychology. Let's get straight to it. Mistake number 1. Consuming more than creating. You watch, you listen, you scroll, but unless you apply what you've learned, growth doesn't happen. Dr. Barbara Oakley, a learning expert, says active learning, like teaching or doing, is the only way your brain truly changes. Consumption only looks useful, but it's not. Mistake number 2. Chasing perfection instead of progress. Perfectionism stops your momentum. Real growth comes from being consistently imperfect. Mistake number 3. Comparing yourself to others. The fastest way to feel small is to measure yourself by someone else's path. Your journey matters, and so does your pace. Mistake number 4. Ignoring your inner voice. Sometimes we follow a path just because it looks right. But if your heart says no, listen. Mistake number 5. Waiting for motivation. Motivation doesn't come first, action does. Start something small, and the momentum will come. So, which of these mistakes have been holding you back? Drop a comment, let's talk about it. And if this video helped you even a little bit, consider supporting this channel. More videos are on the way, and I don't want you to miss them. Stay well, and keep growing.